So good morning, everybody. Welcome to the 2024 IISE Annual Conference and Expo in this beautiful city of Montreal. I'm Victoria Jordan. I'm president of IISE, and I currently serve as the Vice President of Quality and Patient Safety for Emory Healthcare in Atlanta. To our honorees, guests, colleagues, and family and friends, from this Georgia girl, welcome, and bonjour, y'all.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Eileen Van Agen, immediate past president of IISE, as well as being a professor and department head of industrial and systems engineering at Virginia Tech.
The Fellows are a select group of IISE's most renowned members in academia and industry. They carry the highest status of membership in IISE and are regarded for their valuable contributions to the association and to the profession as a whole. Since our founding over 75 years ago, less than 1% of our members have been honored as Institute Fellows. Our new class of 19 is every bit as distinguished as those who came before them. So without further ado, we ask that you turn your attention to the back of the room as we present to you the new Fellows class of 2024.
Al Atta. Al is the founder and CEO of MacBow Associates, LLC. He is a clinical professor at the University of North Texas. Al worked for the Boeing Company for 17 years and has over 35 years of engineering and management experience. He served as past president of the construction division of IISE and past president of the IISE Dallas-Fort Worth chapter. He holds a BS in civil engineering, an MS in industrial engineering, and a master's of philosophy and PhD in management. He is recognized nationally and internationally with many awards.
Amanda Mewborn. Amanda is the owner of Yoga 6 in Roswell, Georgia, a boutique fitness studio offering a variety of yoga classes for everybody. Previously, Amanda served as Group Vice President for Planning, Design, and Construction at Advocate Health, where she led a team delivering $2 billion in annual construction spend across 6 states. Amanda earned a Bachelor of Science in Industrial and Systems Engineering and a Master of Science in Health Systems from Georgia Tech, and a Bachelor of Science in Nursing from Georgia State University. She's a registered nurse and a lean black belt, and she's past president of IISE and a diplomate and past president of the Society for Health Systems.
Amy Ellen Mainville Cohn. Amy is an Arthur F. Thurneau professor in the Department of Industrial and Operations Engineering at the University of Michigan, where she also holds an appointment in the Department of Health Management and Policy in the School of Public Health. Amy is the faculty director of the Center for Healthcare Engineering and Patient Safety and the Chief Transformation Officer for Michigan Medicine. She holds an AB in Applied Mathematics from Harvard University and a PhD in Operations Research from MIT. Her primary research interests are in applications of combinatorial optimization, particularly to healthcare and aviation, and to the challenges of optimization problems with multiple objective criteria.
Ann Duncan. Ann is currently the Chief Information Officer of the U.S. Department of Energy. Before joining DOE, she was Chief Strategy and Innovation Officer for state and local government at Dell. Ann also served in the Obama administration as the Chief Information Officer of the United States Environmental Protection Agency and Chief Technical Officer for the Palo Alto Unified School District. She also held a variety of leadership positions at Hewlett-Packard. Ann is a published author, most recently of the book Industrial Digital Transformation, and is a sought-after speaker on the topics of technology modernization, digital services, and organizational transformation. Ann holds a BS and MS in Industrial Engineering, both from Georgia Tech, and she's a licensed professional engineer in California and Washington.
Brad Kramer. Brad is professor of industrial and manufacturing systems engineering at Kansas State University. He holds the Ike and Letty Evans Engineering Chair and has served as the IMSE department head for 30 years. He co-founded the Technology Development Institute and led it to become fully self-funded with more than $3 million in annual expenditures. During his career, he has earned more than $30 million in competitive funding and has been recognized for awards for outstanding teaching, outstanding advising, and for being an outstanding academic department head.
Barak Exiolu. Barak is a professor of industrial engineering at the University of Arkansas and directs the Master's in Science in the engineering program. His research focuses on mathematical organization, particularly stochastic programming and combinatorial optimization, applied in logistics, production, and supply chain management, healthcare, and also in energy systems. He secures funding from the federal agencies like NASA, DOT, and DHS, as well as industry grants. Barak is a member of Informs, PALMS, ASEE, and the Tau Beta Pi Honor Society. Barak's work significantly influences engineering research and education.
David Sokup. Dave is Managing Director, Governance of the American Society of Mechanical Engineers and Adjunct Professor and IISE Chapter Advisor for New York University's Technology Management and Innovation Department. Dave's 48-year career in engineering association management has encompassed licensing, fundraising, strategic planning, ethics, international relations, and K-12 and university STEM activities. He teaches project management, ergonomics, operations management, and simulation at NYU. Dave earned his BS in systems engineering from the University of Arizona and an MS in industrial engineering from the University of Tennessee.
Fazlina Badardine. Fazlina is a Earl Parker Robinson Chair Professor in Mechanical Engineering and directs the Manufacturing Systems Engineering Master's Program at the University of Kentucky. Fazlina has made significant contributions to advance fundamental knowledge and develop technical innovations in sustainable manufacturing for progressing toward a more circular economy. Beyond her scholarly achievements, she has extensively contributed to shaping engineering education through the creation of novel courses, certificates, and degree programs, as well as redesign to increase wider accessibility. Fazlina is an active member of IISE since 2001, serving in numerous roles, most recently as Technical Vice President.
Guiping Hu. Guiping is a professor and head of the School of Industrial Engineering and Management at Oklahoma State University. She is also the Donald and Kathy Humphreys Chair. Guiping's research has been supported by NSF, USDA, DOE, and DoD with over $11.5 million in funding. She has published about 100 journal articles and 50 conference proceedings papers, having been cited over 4,200 times. Guiping actively serves in professional organizations of industrial engineering, including IISE.
Jing Li. Jing is a Virginia C. and Joseph C. Mello Chair Professor in Industrial and Systems Engineering at Georgia Tech. Her research supports clinical decisions across diagnoses, prognoses, and telemedicine, particularly for brain-related conditions such as brain cancer, traumatic brain injuries, and Alzheimer's disease. Jing is a NSF Career Awardee. She is currently a department editor for IISE Transactions in Healthcare Systems Engineering and a senior editor for IEEE Transactions on Automation Science and Engineering. Unfortunately, Jing Lee was not able to join us today, but please congratulate her when you can.
Yes. Joseph Michaels. Joe is a principal with the international management and engineering consulting firm of Solomon Bruce Consulting, LLC. He is distinguished military graduate from Air Force ROTC at the University of Utah. Joe is a retired colonel with extensive experience in supply chain management, engineering, and aerospace operations leadership. He served in a wide variety of senior leadership and managerial positions in government, academia, and business. Joe holds a bachelor's degree from Weber State University, master's degrees from University of Southern California, University of Oklahoma, and the Naval War College, where he was designated as a Forrestal Scholar, and a PhD from Texas A&M University.
June Zhuang. June is the Morton C. Frank Professor and serves as the Director of Graduate Studies and the Director of the Decision, Risk, and Data Laboratory for the Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering, University of Buffalo. He obtained his PhD in Industrial Engineering from the University of Wisconsin-Madison in 2008. June's primary research objective is to integrate operations research, big data analytics, game theory, and decision analysis to enhance mitigation, preparedness, response, and recovery in the face of natural and man-made disasters.
Larry Snyder. Larry is the Harvey E. Wagner Professor of Industrial and Systems Engineering and the Deputy Provost for Faculty Affairs at Lehigh University. He received his PhD in Industrial Engineering and Management Science from Northwestern University. He is co-author of the textbook Fundamentals of Supply Chain Theory and the creator of Stockpile, a Python package for inventory optimization and simulation. Larry has served on the editorial boards of IISE Transactions, Transportation Science, and other publications.
Louis Timo. Louis is professor and department head and the Sugar and Mike Barnes Department Head Chair of the William Michael Barnes 64 Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering at Texas A&M. He obtained his PhD in Systems and Industrial Engineering in 2004, MS in Mining and Geological Engineering in 2000, and BS in Mining Engineering in 1998, all from the University of Arizona. Louis is a member of IISE and Informs and has served on several editorial boards, including IISE Transactions.
Ben Fong. Ben is the director of the Professional Master's Program and an associate professor of practice in industrial engineering at Purdue University. He has been instrumental in merging academic rigor with industry application, fostering an environment where students engage directly with real-world challenges. Beyond academia, Ben has been a senior global leader with 30 years of experience in R&D, IoT, product strategy, and Lean Six Sigma. He's also served the IISE community for over 2 decades in a variety of roles, such as the North Central Region Vice President, President of the Milwaukee chapter, and an active member of the Industry Advisory Board. He has brought exceptional contributions to bridging the gap between academic theory and industrial practice.
Pratik Parikh. Pratik is the chair of the Department of Industrial Engineering and a George and Mary Lee Duthie Endowed Professor at the University of Louisville. Pratik holds a PhD in Industrial and Systems Engineering from Virginia Tech. He has been an IISE member since 2005 and has served the Institute as Technical Vice President, President of the Logistics and Supply Chain Division, Chair of the IISE Innovation Cup, and Associate Editor of IISE Transactions for Design and Manufacturing. He is also a co-chair of the IISE Visibility Task Force within CETA and a past recipient of several IISE awards. Pratik is a co-author on more than 75 peer-reviewed journals and an advisor to 12 PhD students.
Rajiv Saxena. Rajiv is Senior Vice President, Supply Chain Solutions at Kenco Logistics and is responsible for continuous improvement, solutions engineering, innovation, BI and analytics, labor management solutions, and digital transformation areas. With 30-plus years of professional experience, Rajiv held a variety of roles with increasing responsibilities with APL Logistics, GXO Logistics, Siva Logistics, SB Billamoria and Company, and General Electric. He is a supply chain management thought leader, a frequent speaker at various forums, and has published various supply chain management-related articles in various magazines. Rajiv has a PhD in operations management from the University of Rochester, a master's from the Indian Institute of Management, and a BE in electrical engineering from the Indian Institute of Technology.
Rohan Sherwaker. Rohan is the James T. Ryan Professor in Industrial and Systems Engineering, co-director of the Bezos Center for Sustainable Proteins, and Associate Director of the Comparative Medicine Institute at NC State University. His academic portfolio focuses on advanced manufacturing of biological products for biomedical and cellular agriculture applications. His research is supported by over $35 million in grants from the NSF, NIH, Manufacturing USA, and Bezos Earth Fund, among others, which has resulted in over 75 peer-reviewed papers, 150 technical presentations, and 3 patents. Rohan has received the NSF Career, SME Outstanding Young Manufacturing Engineer, and the IISE Manufacturing and Design Outstanding Young Investigator Awards. He currently serves in a variety of volunteer roles for the IISE, SME, ASME, and ASTM.
Thomas Sharkey. Thomas is a professor of industrial engineering at Clemson University. He obtained his PhD from the University of Florida and was previously on the faculty of Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute. His research applies network optimization to social issues and has been funded by the NSF, including a Career Award, and National Institute of Justice and Department of Homeland Security. He is part of a team that combines industrial engineering, social science, and lived experience expertise to study disruptions to sex trafficking. He has received multiple awards for creating blended undergraduate learning environments, including the IISE OR Division Teaching Award.
Everyone, please join me in congratulating our class of 2024 fellows. Nice.